Chef Jodhan YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and the notification bell. Thank you. If you want to see my entire playlist on YouTube, type Chef Jodhan Kitchen for all my amazing videos and delicious recipes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Chef Jodhan YouTube channel. Guys, today I've reached 1,000 subscribers. That wouldn't have been possible without you guys, so thank you so much. Remember to always like my videos, leave a comment, share. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Wait till you see what I have on the menu today. Don't go nowhere, stay tuned. Today guys, we'll be cooking a special vegetable. This vegetable is packed with potassium, magnesium, phosphorus. It's also one of the richest in vitamin A, B6 and C. That's a very power-packed vegetable. Got that right, it's a squash. Today we'll be cooking one of Guyana's quick, nutritious meal, curried squash. Is it curried squash or squash curry? Let me know in the comment below. Here are the ingredients for our squash curry. 1 large squash, but guys, I won't be using the entire squash. I'll be using 1/4 of it. 3 tomato, scallion, 1 hot pepper, 7 cloves of garlic, 1 onion. I'm using a purple onion. You can also use a purple onion or the normal onion. 2 tablespoons curry masala and 1 tablespoon curry powder. Let's prepare our squash and seasoning for cooking. Removing the seeds and the skin. You want to get all the seed out. Remember to wash your squash after cleaning it. Now we're going to cut. Cut your squash in smaller parts. It allows it to cook faster. Prepare my seasoning. Chop my onions first. Crushing my garlic cloves. Slicing my tomatoes. Chopping my scallion. And my hot pepper. Quick tip. Add some water to your curry powder masala and seasoning mixture. I preheated 4 tablespoons of oil over high heat. Also, I added 1 tablespoon extra curry powder to my mixture. I'm adding my mixture into the oil now. Mix it around. Cover and allow your mixture to burn for a minute and a half. My curry mixture is burned for a minute and a half. I'm adding my squash now. Mix it together. And I'm going to cover it and allow the curry mixture and the squash to cook together for 3 minutes. My 3 minutes is up. Now adding water to cover halfway. Enough water to boil the squash. And my salt, 1 teaspoon salt. As this boils down, you would add some more water gradually. Cover and cook for 30 minutes. Guys, this is our finished product. I added half tablespoon all-purpose seasoning to add more flavor. Are we ready for all that nutrients? Here we go. Chef Jodhan's very own curried squash with damawara rice. Watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment on my YouTube channel at Chef Jodhan. That's spelled CHEFJODHAN. Thank you for watching.